and download. In this video guys, I will show you the correct way how to fix this on your Play Store. So just watch this video till the end. So first you have to go and open the settings of your phone, and after this you have now to go directly to apps option, and here you will search only for Play Store. When you found Google Play Store, where is, you will open it like this, and then you will go directly to storage option, then go to the last button, clear data, click OK, and click on clear cache and click on force stop and click OK. And now the last things is to go into Play Store and update your Play Store, or you have now to restart your phone as you can. And that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.